Top news headlines. Governor says culture exercises great influence on development of society. Babisana GAC threatens phrase agitation from October 14. Wumlunmang says responsibility for suicide prevention not solely rested with doctors. Hello and good evening. Welcome to Times of Manipur. This is HARIPRIYA giving you the news in details. Governor of Manipur, Dr. Najma Heptullah, today stated that culture exercises a great influence on the development of a society and hence we need to preserve it. She was taking part in a meeting at Classic Grand Imphal, which was held on the theme promoting entrepreneurship and harnessing untapped potential of geographical indication of Manipur.
Connected with traditions, practices and culture. Geographical indications are highly interwoven into rural lives which employ traditional methods, practices and know-how to produce these goods. With the protection assured by the GI registration, part pirates and counterfeit cannot encroach on the markets and the consumers are guaranteed of the genuineness of the product and quality assurance is also helps in brand building and add the commercial value. I hope this contribute.
Mission for Economic Empowerment of Traditional Artisan and Craftsmen and PhD Chamber of Commerce and Industries jointly organized a meet. Works Minister T.H. Bishwajit Singh, who is also the chairman of MITEC, attended the meet. Minister Bishwajit hailed that MITEC not only promotes cultural heritage of Manipur but also generates employment for the educated youths.
This is our proud moment and a very important that this PhD Chamber of Commerce is there. The capacity of this PhD Chamber of Commerce and Industries can play a very, very big role for the promotion of these products. This is my responsibility to do something to create a new atmosphere in the state as a minister in charge. I don't know, I cannot say how long I'll be here as a minister. I may be moved out tomorrow, but what I feel is that, so if I do something and if I create something new and innovative things, that would be my achievement.
In a media query, Minister T.H. Bishwajit said that a footbridge near Bir Tikendrajit Park and another at Kesampad near Imphal College will be constructed in January next after the completion of the one at Kangla Park, now under construction.
We have actually planned for as of now. We are actually planning to construct more because for the convenience of the people and particularly for the pedestrian and the state. So we have just actually slightly completed this Kangla one, and the BT will be completed by the end of the November, and this Kashampat by December, and at the same time, so there is one footbridge also near the this Imphal College. So that we are trying to complete it by either by end of the December or maybe by the beginning of the January 2020, that is the new year.
The Babisana GAC has threatened to launch fresh agitation in case the Manipur government does not hand over the Babisana case to the Central Bureau of Investigation (CBI) by October 13. The Joint Committee said the entire Thangmaiban area will observe a 24-hour stay away from work protest beginning 6 a.m. of October 14. Despite repeated call to close a special investigation team sit, the demand is yet to be fulfilled. Babisana JAC convener L. Ganeshwar told a press meet at Thangmaiban Athletic Union Thau Ground, Imphal. He expressed displeasure over what he termed an attempt to bring the case on the wrong track. If the government chooses to ignore the case, the Joint Committee, with the support of the public, will take up intense agitation, Ganeshwar warned.
SIT statement asumba singado puthokidona court thagatpiu loina SIT gi aran basaliba IO se masi sindokpiraga asumba chatpa IO ma thambiu hojek phawbada asuk warba macha kaina bagi maisak na adugumba maisa langaba imung singsigi aranba adugumba investigation gi report ngate pikhat pasel atuba matamda lepiu amasung aikhoina demand tawduna laiba 161 police ki statement logadoba victim family ki mama gi mapa gi magi mapan gi imung manungi asumba 161 ase atuba matamda lobiduna investigation asida hapsin biu amasung langla langjin phanbada angang asibu hatpi bane haibagi asumba langla langjin phanbada mateng onena bagi kogu CM amasung governor or minister na miyeng changbiu haiba se ji maikai de tamjari
28th World Mental Health Day on the theme Mental Health Promotion and Suicide Prevention was jointly observed by National Mental Health Program and Indian Psychiatric Society Manipur State Branch at Jennings Auditorium, Porompa today. Nursing students, MBBS students, doctors, members of different civil society organizations and officials from different medical institutions attended the event. Principal Secretary of Health and Family Welfare, who is also the Director of State Mission and State Health Society, Vumlungmang Volnam opined that the responsibility for preventing suicide is not solely rested with the doctors or medical staff, but everyone should make contribution. Doctors, healthcare workers and medical professionals should take the lead role in providing good healthcare service to the people for the well-being of society, he appealed.
It can become a platform where the community can get the first level of assistance, the first level of consultation. If you find a neighbor or a family member who is having some signs of mental stress or some signs of abnormal behavior, we now have health and wellness centers which are not far from your locations, where there are trained health personnel who can help you. And the 81 number will increase, it will go up to 200, 300, it's an ongoing program. And I'm happy that this foundation, so that from there it leads on to the higher health facilities up to the tertiary level, where our brothers and sisters, our family members, our friends who need the
District Legal Services Authority Imphal West, in collaboration with the Legal Aid Clinic Changangai Uchekon under the aegis of Manipur State Legal Services Authority, also observed World Mental Health Day 2019 at the Center for Mental Hygiene located at Changangai Uchekon, West Imphal. Speaking on the occasion, Chairman of District Legal Services Authority Imphal West, R.K. Memcha, said that today is the day to show love, care and affection to those people who are suffering from mental disorder. She also said that everyone, including the mentally disordered persons, are bound by laws, adding that one cannot harass such person. She further assured that she was ready to provide any kind of legal aid to those mentally disordered people.
I'm Karino Henayana, Sena, Hydrosu Yamna, arrival on the clock. I had a city, Kentanati, Quina, Puggy, Apova, Richard Sally, Puggy, I am Yaradoni, Hataba, Isana Yaninga, but Mina, I wonder, Torquada, I know I Redova, Yaninga, but Tor, although I may Yadoni. I do Nahana Kalima Tabaka, Nanga Tohaninga, but Habuto.
A combined team of Tengnopal police and 12 Assam Rifles arrested a person along with a large quantity of suspected WY tablets worth Rs 90 lakh. The team, based on a specific input from a reliable source, intercepted and arrested a motorcycle-borne individual coming from Tengnopal towards Palen along Infalmore Road and seized the narcotics from his possession. The incident occurred around 3:50 p.m. yesterday at AMBCP. The arrested was identified as Tongminlent Mate of T. Gamnom village in Tengnopal. He revealed that the narcotics were being transported from Mori to Palen via Mori Multuk Chamol Tengnopal route. The drug peddler along with the seized item was later handed over to Tengnopal police station for necessary legal action. Now a short commercial break, but coming up, pension distributed to 1,000 senior citizens including widows. More after the break.
Nupi aikoigidi khongthang khuding seksiningai ngaktani. Mafam matam khudimakta aina cheksinduna talakli. Adubu mahausayi khongchatnina khudung thiningai atumak oi. Manipur da ahan boina iramdam masida sajaba ningol khudo. Adubu ngasidi akhoi chingnaningai oidre. Aikoigidamak Bright Enterprises ki ningol khudo.
US Pizza and Fried Chicken at Sangai Pro. For us, food is about taste and delicious choices, but at affordable prices. Fresh dal with a high wheat content, fresh vegetables and chicken make our food special and healthy. We have 3 types of pizza crust to offer you. A wide variety of fried chicken items, burgers, garlic breads, pastas and mocktails await you. Come to US Pizza and Fried Chicken for delicious belly-filling portions at pocket-friendly prices. And yes, we are kid-friendly too, so bring your kids and enjoy with them. Come, taste the best pizzas in town and a host of other food items at US Pizza and Fried Chicken, Sangai Pro.
Red Sopa, an online store based on indigenous food items. Iramdamgi oiba chanaba potlamsing online da Resopergi khuthangda line khangbigani.
Delivers to all over India. Yamna thuba matamda delivery gi khudong chabasu fangbigani. Delhi gi oinadi iramdamgi oiba mana masing singsu fangbigani. Masida sunatana same day delivery gi khudong chabasu pijari.
Available for both Android and iOS.
Get 20% off on your first order. Download now for free.
Red Shopper. Get local.
Welcome back. MLA of Bishnupur Assembly Constituency Govindas Konthosam said in order to live in peace and harmony and united, one should love and respect the mankind. He said this during a function to distribute old age and widow pension to 1,000 beneficiaries of Bishnupur constituency today. The distribution program was organized and sponsored by Konthosam Gojendro Foundation at Ningthokong, Ward Number 2, residents of MLA Govindas. He said that Konthosam Gojendro Foundation was established under his late father's name, K. Gojendro, with an aim to extend monetary assistance to the senior citizens and widows. He also announced that half of his wealth will be donated to the trust in building an old age home next year.
Foundation sina salaibo oigani. Foundation sina salaibo oigani maramni inherit property aina ipa ipu singa thambiramba aigi lan singa sigi 50% akogi K Gojendro Foundation sida khoi pire haijariba. Masigi lakpa sourcing sina akoi na hayeng lai oigragasu asigumba foundation si ningthi jana lehoba yanana ba makhata na old age home amaling khalli basi lai jariba ngasagi ahal loiraba ipa sing ahal loiraba ima sing se masigi tung koiba phawbada hayeng ningthi jana salaiba ngam hawna ba adumaina panam thamjabani government adu da contribute to birapadi karim kaide adubu where is old age home salaiba sidi akogi foundation sina salaiga.
Secretary of the Foundation L Gokul, chairperson of Ningthokong Municipal Council L Ibungo, Vice Chairperson T.H. Rama Devi and Pradhan of Nacho Gram Panchayat Jadu were present during the event. Lamsang MLA and Manipur Planning Board Deputy Chairman S. Rajan today stressed on the importance of upkeeping of the culture and tradition of Manipur. He was participating in the 9th Foundation Day celebration of Thangmaiban United Art and Culture Organization, Thangmaiban. Releasing a souvenir on the occasion, MLA Rajan in his speech emphasized that the state's culture and tradition play a key role in popularizing Manipur in other parts of the world. For this, he said the people have an immense role to play, commenting on handloom and handicraft of the state. He said a handloom mall would be opened soon to make it easier for people to buy handloom products. Rajan said all clothes produced by the state weavers would be bought by the Handloom Development Corporation.
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯀꯜꯆꯔ ꯋꯥꯠꯇꯅ ꯊꯝꯕꯤꯔꯝꯃꯦꯕ ꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯀꯜꯆꯔꯁꯦ ꯉꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯀꯜꯆꯔ ꯑꯁꯤꯅꯁꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯑꯄꯤꯛꯄ ꯂꯝꯗꯝ ꯑꯁꯦ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯠ ꯑꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯚꯥꯔꯠꯀꯤ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟꯕ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯠꯁꯤꯡꯒ ꯀꯝꯄꯤꯌꯔ ꯇꯧꯔꯛꯄ ꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯀꯜꯆꯔꯒꯤ ꯁꯛꯇꯝ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯖꯒꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯏꯁꯩꯒꯤ ꯄꯨꯔꯛꯄ ꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯚꯥꯔꯠꯀꯤ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟꯕ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯠꯁꯤꯡꯗ ꯇꯧꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯖꯒꯣꯏ ꯏꯁꯩꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯁꯤꯒ ꯑꯇꯣꯞꯄ ꯈꯦꯠꯅꯕ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯥꯛꯄ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯉꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯕꯨ ꯁꯤꯡꯊꯥꯅꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯂꯩꯄꯥꯛ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯤꯁꯦ ꯀꯜꯆꯔ ꯑꯃꯁꯨꯡ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯁꯥꯟꯅꯔꯣꯏꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯉꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯑꯁꯦ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯃꯥꯡꯖꯤꯜ ꯊꯥꯅ ꯚꯥꯔꯠꯇ ꯅꯠꯇꯅ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯤꯊꯤꯕꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯃꯥꯡꯖꯤꯜ ꯊꯥꯕꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯊꯧꯔꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯆꯠꯊꯔꯛꯑꯦ.
Former Union Minister Thaunaujam Chaubasing today said farmers have a big role to play in the growth of the state economy. Chauba, who is the chairman of Krishi Vigyan Kendra KVK Bishnupur, was participating in an input distribution function for farmers at the hall of KVK Bishnupur. Manipur Technical University Vice Chancellor Professor L. Tombi and KVK Bishnupur head Dr. R.K. Imotomba were also present during the function. KVK Bishnupur Chairman Chauba further said that efforts have been made to double the income of farmers under the KVK by 2022. During the program, chicks, pigs, fingerlings, mushroom and other items were distributed to 60 farmers for generating additional income for farmers.
Nakoi karim to wagano lomi na kwaide nungaibo gani aikoi chinjak yaudana lari hawi aroi chinjak yaudana engineer ho yaroi chinjak yaudana pressman ho yaroi asai chak lama mani mayam akoi chana no puthu iban hoina kwaide gi maru ni punamak tagi first priority se akoi agriculture oibham thokpane.
Vice Chancellor of Manipur Technical University Professor L. Tombi said KVK Bishnupur will be affiliated to Manipur Technical University soon, and for this, the necessary office memorandum is awaited.
Agriculture aku jindayal ko upadhyagi center sida hangtori ba course mayam siga aku MTO no Manipur Technical University state government university si asiga kainuga nga sila culture gi nga sila culture gi tongan ra aku dei khalap thakre masida hariba institution mayam je punsinna bo hona jari adu matungina masai aiko idumat yamna mari lena ba adu agro engineering ga habe je course hangtoga maramdi masi akoi next year dagi akoi Manipur Technical University na affiliation pi ba habe ma almost see on thokto badangare masi almost decision lawlobani.
The United People's Revolutionary Front of Manipur has announced for an 18-hour total shutdown in Manipur on October 15 to register a protest against the merger agreement of 1949. In a statement released to the press today, the outfit said that Manipur, which was once an independent princely state, was forcibly merged with the Indian Union on September 21, 1949. Manipur was taken over by the British in 1891. The official declaration of the merger took place on October 15, 1949. October 15 is observed as Black Day by different militant outfits in Manipur. The UPRFM statement further said the general strike will begin from the midnight and end at 6 p.m. of October 15. However, emergencies and religious activities will be exempted from the purview of the general strike. World Sight Day 2019 was observed at HARIPRIYA High School in Thoubal district today. National Program for Control of Blindness, Thoubal organized the program under the aegis of District Health Society, Thoubal and Lions Club Kakching Greater on theme Vision First. Editor of Image TV and Uttam Kumar, who is also the president of Lions Club Kakching Greater District Family Welfare Officer, KSH Memcha Devi, and headmaster of HARIPRIYA High School, KH Keso, were present during the function. Ophthalmologist of District Hospital Thoubal, Dr. N. Linthoingambi, attended the program as a resource person. In his speech, and Uttam Kumar said, World Sight Day is the perfect opportunity to make eye health a priority. He further cautioned the young generation to avoid obsessive use of mobile, as this may lead to visual impairment. Free spectacles were given to 10 students of the school who were diagnosed with refractive error during a free eye medical camp held on October 5 at the same school. Altogether, 150 students of the school were given free eye checkup at the camp.
Vision first time se means udraga di apni thot koi apan no soi no boi gani lari pa no de san no kam de any pro koi ni mana pa ko no muai to no
District Blindness Control Society, Bishnupur District also observed the World Sight Day 2019 at Kiamba Ningsin Sanglen, Bishnupur. Retired Chief Medical Officer of Bishnupur, Dr. K.H. Mandubangol, Chief Medical Officer of Bishnupur, Dr. T. Manihar, and Medical Superintendent of District Hospital, Bishnupur, Dr. N. Bino Singh, attended the program as main guests. Speaking on the sidelines of the event, CMO Dr. T. Manihar urged each and every individual to have regular eye checkup to avoid visual impairment and give eye care and health a priority. 14 students of various schools in Bishnupur district were given free spectacles as part of the program. Well, another break, but after the break, in KMBT Film Center Studio inaugurated at Thoubal Khetri Lekai. Do stay tuned.
अखोई की पामजब लंबीदा नियम चुमना चलगदी खुनाय असे नोंग नत्रग नोंगदी सौखटप खुनाय म सोइदन ओय
रेडियन ग्रुपना इनखलकलिबा नुपी सिंगी हाइथोय सिंथोयरबा लौसिंग अमदी लमचक सिंग उथोकनबगी तंजा पिरि
थोरम असे होकदोकसब ओइना लाकदोरिबो अक्टोबर की तंग तरादा कर्टेन राइजर इम्फाल होटल तंगथोक सले
कर्टेन राइजर निमित असिदा कॉन्टेस्टेंट सिंग कना कनानो हैबदु मसक खमोन मदोरिबनी
इवेंट असिगी ग्रैंड फिनाले लाकलेबो अक्टोबर तंग 12 दा होटल इम्फाल असे सोइदन पातोक सले
निमित असिदा मयाम सोइदन लेंथोक्यो
Diwali amasung Ningol Jacobana lakpaga iroinana Sangai Honda na Festival asida Honda Cars ki ahenba discount sing pizari. Hauzik lariba Honda Cars ki discount sing adudi Honda Amaze up to 42,000, Honda Jazz up to 50,000, Honda WRV up to 45,000, Honda City up to 62,000, Honda VRV up to 1,10,000, Honda Civic up to 2,50,000. Honda CRV up to rupees 5 lakh. Attractive oiraba discount sing asi lakliba October 19 gi mangoinana lobi hogadabani. Discount sing asi gidamak terms and conditions khara laizai loinana madik charaba servicing center su laizari. Akupa marol gidamak ngasimak lengsin birau Sangai Honda Ghari Airport Road Imphal Manipur.
Lakadoriba ningol chakobada set innabagidamak quality lairaba ahongba mamalda pinabagidamak sem saduna lairaba Nagamapal Ima Kaithel opposite ki first floor da laiba Showers Boutique showroom inat ki oiba apama makhal gi firol suna phangadaba showroom loinana Christian singi wedding da seasonaba wedding gown su mafam asida phangbigani
nupi kaktagi natana angang sing amadi jeans ki pants shirt half pant coat vest coat kurta pajama faijom kurkur faijom amadi ready made faijom makal suna phangama mafam Yam nueva pao mana mafam masida adom adongi apama design kuding makki order slogzari. Amtang lengshin biro Khwai Brahmapur Nagamapal Ima Kaithel gi opposite gi fast floor da leriba Showers Boutique.
Welcome back. Chairman of Film Forum Manipur, Samjet Sabam Mangolzao today inaugurated an KAMBT Film Center studio at Thobal, Ketri. The studio provides various facilities such as cinematography, photography, editing, film equipment and recording facilities. Filmmaker come Treasurer of Film Forum Manipur and Tomba, Councillor of Thobal Municipal Council Ward Number 3, P. Jote, owner of the Film Center Studio, Krishna Ningombam and several others attended the function. FFM Chairman Mangolzao said the forum does not endorse artists based on caste, creed or religion in order to facilitate every artist in moving forward. He also urged each and every individual to work together for the betterment of the society. Finance Secretary of Moirang Students Union KH Ajay said that the union has decided to cancel the proposed agitation to be begun from tomorrow. He said this during a press meet at the union office today. Students of Moirang College had earlier staged a sit-in demonstration in front of the college gate demanding permission for honors students of computer science to sit in the upcoming semester examination. The decision comes after top officials from the education department allow the students to take the examination.
Moirang College Student Union amadi Satra Singna computer exam computer honors exam Kogi Yatragadi conjunction Singani and Hadi education Ayang Sidadi, Dead 11 Sidagi, College Letana, Tinjalagani and Harambado, Koi and Doctor Maram di Maria, never department in Maranga Piduna, Kogi Yangshin Biduna, Koi formed the laptop Boyana Konabagi, Jin Harame, documentary on a later woman responsibility on a Laga when Yangshin Biduna, Kogi, exam Tavayarani, Kolani, Havagi, Jabza, Hazaba Piramazin Matumuna, Kogi, Hajika, Kogi, Konjan to the Koimatano.
Now the sports news. Six-time world champion MC Mary Kom on Thursday assured herself of an unprecedented 8th medal at the World Women Boxing Championship after advancing to 51 kg semi-finals of the event at Ulan-Ude in Russia. The pugilist defeated Colombia's Valencia Victoria via an unanimous 5-0 verdict to reach the final four, a media report said. With the win, Mary Kom improved her own record as the most successful boxer in the history of the tournament. Before the start of the tournament, he set 6 gold and a silver in her kitty in 48 kg category. This is the first time Manipuri boxer has secured a world medal in the 51 kg category. The two Assam Rifles Singhat Battalion will organize a 10-kilometer run for Fit India on October 13. A statement of two Assam Rifles informed that the run for all age groups will start from Kugadam and Bek. Kickboxer Jumi Basar from Leparada district in Arunachal Pradesh has been selected to represent India at WACO World Senior Kickboxing Championship 2019, which is going to be held at Bosnia Herzegovina from October 19 to 27 next. Under the guidance of Bulang Marik President and Charu Govind, General Secretary of the Kickboxing Association of Arunachal, KAA, Jumi Basar has won gold medal in light contact category 89 kg at WACO India Senior Kickboxing Championship 2019, which was held at Rohtak in Haryana recently. He is leaving for Mysore in Karnataka to attend a pre-World Championship training camp arranged for the selected players from October 11 to 17 next. It is being organized by WACO India National Kickboxing Federation, a report said. Before we close, let's see the top news headlines once again. Governor says culture exercises great influence on development of society. Baby Sana GAC threatens fresh agitation from October 14. And Vumlun Mang says responsibility for suicide prevention not solely rested with doctors. That's all for the moment. Thank you very much for joining us and keep watching Times of Manipur News Update.